Have you ever wondered how your investment choices can shape a better, more sustainable future? Welcome to the intriguing world of sustainable finance. In the realm of investments, sustainability has transformed from being a buzzword to a key consideration. The global market for sustainable investments reached a staggering $70 trillion in 2022. This phenomenal growth has been fueled by a wave of investors who recognize the potential for their assets to generate positive environmental, social, and governance, or ESG, impacts. But the question remains, how does sustainable finance work in practice? Let's explore a few illuminating case studies. First, consider the story of the Danish wind turbine manufacturer Vestas. In the early 2000s, Vestas was on the brink of bankruptcy. However, with a strategic shift towards sustainability, the company attracted green investors and rebounded spectacularly. Today, Vestas is a global leader in wind energy, contributing significantly to carbon emission reductions worldwide. Next, take a look at the transformation of Unilever. This multinational consumer goods company faced criticism for its environmental footprint. In response, Unilever launched its Sustainable Living Plan in 2010, aiming to halve its environmental impact while doubling its business. This bold move not only improved Unilever's reputation, but also attracted a new breed of sustainable investors. Lastly, consider the case of Tesla, the electric vehicle giant. Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy has attracted a significant amount of sustainable investment. This influx of capital has allowed Tesla to scale its operations and play a pivotal role in reducing global carbon emissions. These case studies demonstrate the transformative power of sustainable finance. By aligning their business strategies with sustainability goals, companies can attract significant investment, drive innovation, and contribute to a better world. But what does this mean for you as an investor? Sustainable finance offers a unique opportunity. You can support companies that align with your values, drive positive change, and enjoy a healthy return on your investment. In summary, sustainable finance has emerged as a powerful tool for driving sustainable development. It has demonstrated its ability to transform companies, shape industries, and contribute to global sustainability goals. As an investor, sustainable finance offers you a unique opportunity to align your investments with your values. So the next time you contemplate an investment, consider the impact it could have. Could your capital support a company committed to reducing its carbon footprint? Could it help a business that prioritizes fair labor practices? Or perhaps, could it assist a firm that champions good corporate governance? The choice and the power is in your hands.